What's going on, you guys? Today I'm gonna do another reaction video. As you can see in the video, it's William Sledgehammer the toilet. And if you want more videos like this, just be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll start doing videos of this. And I know y'all enjoying it and all that. Yeah, let's get into the video.
Well, hello everyone. Welcome back for another upload. I am so excited. So just so you know, William has been seeing the special doctor, and the doctor has recommended he work on his relationships with his loved ones. So I thought, this would be a good opportunity for him and Bill to work on their relationship. So I suggested they go out and have a father-son Valentine's Day dinner together. Yes, Valentine's Day, because Valentine's Day is about love, and they love one another. So this is an opportunity to have a special moment. I saw them pulling up the driveway, so I'm really excited to hear about this moment. I wanted to be, oh no. Oh gosh. Oh my God. You already blew it up in Golden Corral. What's going on? Why can't I use it first? What's going on? Oh my gosh, I thought you were going out to God. The janitor was complaining about how dirty you left the toilet. Oh no, I thought you guys were going out. He already used the toilet in Golden Corral, and now he won't let me use the toilet first. Let me in there. Don't you dare sit down on that toilet. Let me in. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in. I need some freaking crap. I don't want to poop again under the bush like I did when I was staying out there. Oh my gosh, no. This was really special. Okay. Get up on that toilet. I gotta use it. On the camera. Go wipe it outside with the leaves. Let's get up off the toilet. I gotta go. Let's focus on the positive today. That you guys went out and found it. This is about love. Valentine's Day. You love he already used the toilet in Golden Corral. Now he wants to use the toilet first here. Positive. Focus on I ate like freaking 3 or 4 freaking burritos in Golden Corral. I can't take this. I have to go. Can't you just wait a minute for your dad? I am going to explode if he doesn't get out of there right now. Focus. You need to get a second toilet. Focus. This is so freaking ridiculous. Let me in. Focus on the beautiful bond you guys had. Focus on the beautiful bond you guys had. Come on. Dad, I need to get in there. It's been like a half an hour. This is so freaking ridiculous. Can you just let him? He's coming out. Girl, just let him in there. I have got to get in there. I need to go so freaking bad. I've been sitting on the couch patiently freaking waiting for you. Now you need to finish the freak up. I hated the buffet. Oh my gosh. Get going. Wipe your freaking butt. Get going with this. This was really good. My gosh, I knew it was. But that's not the point. Wipe your freaking butt. Get up off the toilet. Let's go. Bill, please. I gotta use the toilet. What? Gosh, I don't care. Bill, please. I need to go to the bathroom. Bill, please just finish up so he can get in there. Come on. It's ridiculous. Get out. I need toilet paper. Go get your dad some toilet paper. I'm not getting no toilet paper. You better. William, get your dad some toilet paper. I'm not getting him no toilet paper. No, there should be toilet paper in there. Listen to me. He's been in there for a half an hour freaking holding me up. He's not getting no toilet paper. You're not going to give him toilet paper? He's not getting no toilet paper. Are you sure there's no toilet paper in there? There's some paper towels in there that you can use. No, that's not good. Don't tell him to use that. Oh my gosh, please. No, I'm not giving you no toilet paper. You can use the wrong freaking paper. towels. Hurry up! Get out of there! Use the dang paper towels and get out! I need to go! No, get the freak out! Look, just get creative and get out here. Come on, please. I'm seriously about to go. Because I want them to talk about to go in the woods. I'm seriously about to go in the woods. I need to get in there. You haven't done that. You haven't done that since you lived outside, hon. Come on, Bill. Please get creative and figure this out. So he can hurry up! That dang freaking paper towel. No. Hurry up! Hurry up! Bill. Hurry up! Oh my gosh! No, come on. I'll give you 60 seconds to finish up in there, and when I get back, you better be done.
It doesn't take much to go from calm to chaos. But when life happens, with next-gen Nuvella Performance Fabric...
Get him some toilet paper. Get him some toilet paper. No! Go get him toilet. Get in there. You said that you would be done a minute ago. Come on. Oh my gosh. Bill, just let him in the bathroom so we can focus on the bonding of Valentine's Day. This is supposed to be how I've got to go. This is not going to be progress with the doctor. This is not. Oh, get oh my God. You're the freaking idiot. You're you jerk. William, just use the bathroom, okay? You jerk. Stop it. Stop it.
Toilet up with paper towels.
What?
He ain't gonna be able to
What?
He's not gonna be able to flush it.
That's not funny. That's not funny. Why is the toilet got a bunch of paper towels in it? Oh my God, no, that's not funny. Oh no, how's he gonna get
It's gonna overflow.
It won't even flush. Oh my God, what the heck? That's not funny. That was mean. This is, how is he gonna bond? This is not good.
It's gonna overflow.
That's not good, Bill. That's not good. Oh, no. Unclog the toilet. No, unclog the freaking toilet. No. Unclog the toilet. No, jerk. You clogged it with the paper towels and crap. Now you unclogged it. No, jerk. This is so freaking ridiculous.
You screwed me before.
Freaking unclog it. I've got to go to the bathroom.
Go poop.
Go unclog it.
No.
Oh, my goodness.
Jerk.
That was, I know he didn't give you the toilet paper, but that was spiteful.
It's gonna overflow.
No, I don't want to see that. I do not want to see that. No, thank you.
It's gonna
There's certain things that even I don't want to film. That is not funny. That is not funny.
It's hilarious.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
You need to unclog the toilet.
No, you jerk.
Unclog the freaking toilet.
You unclog
This is so freaking ridiculous.
No.
Unclog the freaking toilet. I keep plunging and plunging and plunging, but it won't unclog.
Come
on, guys.
Will you
Please, it's so freaking ridiculous. Bond. We need to bond. It's Valentine's Day, father, son, bond. Come on, go fix the toilet for him. You should fix it.
Let him fix it.
No. He's a little bit upset. Pick out the paper towels. You have got to pick them out. This is so freaking ridiculous. Get them out, Bill. Come pick them out. You go unclog it. Unclog you. Maybe you could ask the neighbor if he's in the bathroom or something. Oh, my goodness. Oh. William, Bill, this is ridiculous. Go and...
He wants you to unclog it. Go do it.
I'm not doing it. No, you guys got... Go pick his poopy paper towel, napkins out. No. Get him out. No, jerk. You need to go in there. You two need to work together as a team. Work together. Father-son bonding. Work together.
Work together, all right.
Work together. I'm freaking done. Oh my gosh, what is going on? What?
What is that kid doing?
What?
Hey, what are you doing, jerk?
William! William! William!
Oh my God, what is that kid doing?
What are you William! Oh my gosh!
William, what the heck are you doing, jerk?
Oh my
What are you
gosh!
doing in this house, jerk?
I got a special tool in my apartment that I'll unclog it with.
Screw you, jerk.
Oh my gosh, William, put that back!
What are we gonna do with that?
Battery's gonna buy a new one.
Oh my gosh, put that back!
I gotta stop. I gotta stop. problem,
doing?
man? Look at your freaking room. It's a freaking mess,
It's
jerk.
apartment.
Goodness gracious.
Oh my god. What? Oh!
You gotta buy a new one, jerk. What?
Oh no! Don't say that!
I'll get it. I'll get it. I'll get it real unplugged. Idiot.
Oh my
Buy a
god!
new one, jerk.
Oh my gosh!
Well, you
No! Oh!
kid.
William!
Oh my God! Wait, stop!
That's not what I thought you were gonna do when you said you were gonna unclog the toilet.
Here's my special little unclogging tool. You better go to a side. There's your piss. There's your napkins.
Oh.
Jerk. Now you gotta buy a new toilet.
William, who's gonna clean that floor up? That's disgusting. That's gonna be a disgusting cleanup.
I gotta go crap in the woods. This is freaking ridiculous.
No!
Why did you have to clog it? Tough crap, jerk. This is freaking ridiculous.
Oh
Why
my
couldn't
gosh.
you just go unclog it?
Can you guys please focus on the positive things of today? Why don't you focus on the positive of today? Valentine's Day is supposed to be a special meal. No!
Every
Oh.
single cent of that. We'll see.
No!
We will see, jerk. I gotta go crap in the freaking woods. Go crap in the woods. All because of you.
Oh no! No, William. William, go ask.
Screw you. You're gonna pay that. Pay for that.
Maybe the neighbor will let you use his bathroom
I
again.
ain't paying for crap. I ain't paying for crap. Go to the I'm going to crap in the woods.
Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh. Oh no. So much for bonding. Oh.
That was a good video. Sorry this video is a little laggy, and it's because the phone that I'm using ain't. I hardly ever use it no more. And this is the phone I was doing the reaction video on. But I can't get the screen recorder to stay on or anything. So yeah. So sorry if it was a little laggy. And so if y'all want more videos of this reaction, I'll be proud to do it. So like and subscribe for more. Bye.